Prior to mitosis, each chromosome makes an exact duplicate of itself, and the chromosomes then thicken and coil. In early prophase, the centrioles, which have divided, form astres and move apart. The nuclear membrane begins to disintegrate. In late prophase, the centrioles and astres are the opposite poles. The nucleolus and nuclear membrane have almost disappeared. The doubled chromosomes. Their centromeres attached to the spindle fibers, lined up at the mid-cell in the metaphase. In early anaphase, the centromeres split. Half the chromosomes move to one pole, half to the other pole. In late anaphase, the chromosomes have almost reached their respective poles. The cell membrane begins to pinch at the center. The cell membrane completes constriction in telophase. Nuclear membranes form around the separated chromosomes. Meiosis completed. There are two cells with the same structures and number of chromosomes as the parent cell. At the onset of meiosis, DNA strands thicken to chromosomes. Homologous or like chromosomes begin to approach each other. Homologous chromosomes pair to form bilobeds. The centrioles divide and move to the opposite sides of the cell. The bilobeds duplicate to form tetrads or four chromatide groups. The nuclear membrane disintegrates, crossing over occurs. In metaphase 1, the tetrads attach to the spindle fibers at their centromeres and line up at the mid-cell. In early anaphase 1, the tetrads separate and the paired chromatids move along the spindle to their respective centrioles. In late anaphase 1, the chromatids have almost reached their spindle poles. The cell membrane begins to constrict. In telophase 1, nuclear membranes enclose the separated chromatids. The cell membrane completes its constriction. The first meiotic division ends. There are now two cells, each with the same number of chromatids as their parent cells. Prophase 2 begins. The second meiotic division. Homologous chromatids do not duplicate but merely separate. In metaphase 2, the chromatids line up at mid-cell. The centrioles and astres are at the poles the spindle has formed. In anaphase 2, the now separated chromatids approach their respective poles. The cell membrane has begun to constrict. Telophase 2 has been completed. There are now four cells, each with half of the number of chromosomes of their parent cell.